How to get the light mode on Quora app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the light mode on Quora app easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Quora. As you can see right now I have the dark mode and I want the light mode. So first thing, click on your profile picture in the top corner and go down, click on settings. After you click on settings, now it will take you to this page right here. Just go down and you will find light option here. Click on light and it's done. And if you want to go back to the dark, you can just click and choose anywhere from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.